Hello my family, hello guys. Wow, it's very early in the morning guys. I'm now waking up and I'm ready now to go out, even if I've not taken tea, but very happy and I'm very ready now going out to look for a hustle. In fact, in this our village, we actually do more of volunteering work. So guys, keep tuned till the end of this channel. Thank you so much. This is papai tree. Papayas, guys. See how it's look. This has not yet be ready for harvest. This guys is in Nyabanse village. See that this hen has actually decided to lie on the table. Guys, thank you so much. In fact, we normally come here to charge our phones when our phones are off because we don't have electricity. Guys, you can see there's no any work, any activities which is going on now, not today, now, because we don't know the program of today, whether it will be going on or not. Thank you guys. You are watching me from East Africa, Kenya, guys. It's Frameway. Kindly subscribe the channel. If it's your first time that you have come across this channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share, as there's no any activities is going here now. I need to leave this place. Wow, for another what ahead of me. Let me try to look even if I get something for Christmas. My phone is not to that I'm using the phone. I'm not using the camera, GoPro camera, I'm using the phone, and you know it's not that much clear. But here guys, just to look for a place to get even some few coins for that what we call Christmas celebration. No, you can't just stay like that and you don't have something to eat while people will be eating. Thank you so much. Keep watching the channel as we move together, guys. Yeah, guys, this is Fathela's project. You can see it is actually going on. Let me see. In fact, guys, I'm late. I can't get a job here. As I'm seeing, I can't get anything. This Fathela here.
Guys, welcome back to Frame YouTube channel. My name is Fathela TV. Here is back. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. We're here building the 3-bedroom house, and we've been installing the iron sheet and also putting the concrete, and we have done.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So thank you for coming. Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe I can show you the ongoing.
Oh yeah, it's good when you show us the ongoing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here we've been levelizing this place.
Guys, this is Fathela. Yeah, Fathela TV. If it's your first time to watch him, actually, kindly subscribe the channel. Let us have just a short tour on this project. Yeah, you can see the roofing actually has been. They are almost through with roofing. This is a 3-bedroom house. Wow, you can see the frames have been painted with green. And actually, this is a very amazing project. Actually, in the bedroom. In fact, they'll have to uproot this banana from inside, from the house.
Yes, now coming from paying the workers, so they've been working here. We've been putting the concrete inside here. Yeah. We're having a lot of concrete outside there, so I'm telling you to put in one zone. I put them in the master bedroom.
Okay.
I don't know if you can watch there.
Yeah. The master.
Maybe you can use
Can use the window.
yes, the window.
Yeah. It has been dry. It has dried.
Yes, that's the slab here. Also, we have been putting the
Toilets.
plumbing work.
Plumbing. Okay.
Doing piping, the whole piping of plumbing. Piping of plumbing. Yes, and we've done doing it. Also, you have done putting the concrete inside the master bedroom. All of it, I've put in the concrete.
So this is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom.
Wow, that's good. I see you are almost coming in.
Yes, almost coming in. When we'll be done with the putting the iron sheet, and then we put the windows.
The windows.
Yes, maybe I can be now at least somewhere you can say I'm ready to move it.
What about the ceiling?
Ceiling.
Yeah.
Ceiling is not a must.
That's African life.
Yeah, that's African life.
Yeah.
Ceiling is not a must.
Yeah.
Though I have some timbers that can make it the ceiling board inside there, all of it.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Wow, it's Fathela. Just give yourself even.
So guys, go check me out for the TV daily. Go check me out. Your support is really appreciated.
Yeah.
And support my brother here, Frame.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah, Fathela is my brother here, just in the village.
Yes.
Actually, we are just neighbors here, and I normally work on this construction site to make sure that to see the development that he's doing in this place. In fact, I like this spirit. He has a good spirit, guys. You can see a wonderful project that he's doing here. It's around how many days since you started?
1 month.
Imagine 1 month.
Yes.
You see
1 month and 10 days.
1 month,
I
10
started on
days
15th
of October.
October.
Yeah, you can see the wonderful things.
November.
November.
15 November.
Consider the wonderful things that he is doing here.
Yes.
Actually, these are very amazing. I'm so proud of you, guy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you, and I hope one day, one time, I reach at this point.
That's
We
true.
also admire your steps. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's how the work has been going on here. Let me pass cross this through this project and see the other side of the project. In fact, plumbing is on. They are doing a lot of plumbing here, and you can actually see what is plumbing they're doing with piping. See the other side. In fact, it's like minor places has remained. I think this is his garden. Let us see his garden. I think this space for kitchen garden, and maybe in fact it's good to have the kitchen garden. It's good to have a kitchen garden where you can plant something, and for the children's, also for the visitors. That is how it is. You can now have a good view of this of this project. You can see it. It's almost. In fact, they are almost done. Yeah, they're almost done. Thank you so much. Keep watching the channel. In fact, the work here I got, it was just professionals, and I don't have those professional work that this is kitchen piping. You can see how it is being done, and I don't have that professional in whichever. I just do the handments department, so that's why I didn't participate in working. That's how I've been told, and I've understood it, because the piping and also the part of roofing needs those people who are used to it. Yeah, now we are outside the house. In fact, they need to do they are doing leveling. What Fathela told me, they are doing leveling. You see, they took that sand from that place to this place. This one, I think they'll use it for plastering, maybe putting the slab in the house. But this soil, they'll take it to this place where it has gone down, so that they can do what we call leveling. Guys, you can see when our kitchen is no more. It has been taken out. We had here a kitchen where we used to cook. You can see the cooking stick here. In fact, it has been forgotten. This is the cooking stick here. We normally use it to cook either ugali or mboga, or what we call it, beans. Yeah, this is what we call cooking stick. We use it to cook. In fact, this one is not cheap. It's expensive to buy. So means that they should have take care of it. Thank you guys for those who are watching me. Thank you so much. Keep watching me, guys. Depending with where you're watching me, your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and share me, guys. Just help this guy here by subscribing. Now this, I don't know whether it's waste or you can see the iron sheet there and the stones, remaining stones. This is not waste, guys. Yeah, this is not. I think there's somewhere there, like these stones, they'll be used somewhere inside. But the wires and the whatever, like this one, this can be used as a firewood. Guys, being tuned to this time. If it's your first time to watch the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Wow, thank you so much. Now we are out of the project. Until tomorrow, let us try to see what to do tomorrow and what to think about tomorrow. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. I actually wish all of you the happy Christmas Day, and actually celebrate and enjoy the day to your fullest. Guys, keep watching the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, actually you can see the perimeter wall for his mother is now complete. In fact, these trees are supporting these ones. These ones are supporting the concrete inside there on the pillars. Yeah, so you can see it has actually, in fact, they are just waiting for around 2 or 3 days to remove. In fact, this one I think it will be removed after Christmas. And you can see the gate is a very beautiful gate. Just with that, you can see how it's look, and actually it attracts very smart. Yeah, you can see that gate, very smart, very beautiful. You can see inside, that is inside. See how it's look. Wow, actually we love this spirit. This is a very good spirit. Thank you so much, guys. Keep watch. Let me end this video at this point. Have a good day, good morning, and good night. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.